Oh my god, guys, Pepper's online. Pepper's online. Oh my god. Oh my god. Pepper's online. I can't breathe. Oh my god, Pepper's online. Oh my god. Oh my god, I wish her name was unlocked. I just clicked, she was standing right here. I just clicked on her username and it said Pepper. I'm not sure if it's Pepper or Pepper, but she's on. I feel scared. I feel so scared. And send her a gym again. Oh, come on. Okay, well, guys, Pepper's online and bye bye.